Hey guys, I just got this in the mail today. I ordered it the other night, and I got it so that when I work on the Dodge, I will not have to be ratcheting the entire time. I didn't open this on camera, but it came with a single battery, a CP 2.0, which I'm assuming is 2 amp hour if I recall correctly. It's standard base, so it's not the giant flat ones like the 3 hour or higher. But it's a M12 3/8 Impact Ratchet. It's good up to 55 foot-pounds of torque. It's 200 RPMs. It should be very nice. So I went ahead and popped the side off camera. Let's see if I can't get in here and get it the rest of the way open and show you guys what it looks like. Well, there she is, wrapped up in plastic. Pretty nice looking construction. Head's pretty sturdy looking, stout. It's actually got a lot of good weight to it, which kind of surprises me. So I don't know if anybody else out there uses Milwaukee, which I'm sure a lot of you guys do, but that's almost everything I own power tools wise is Milwaukee. It's what I have the most batteries of. I have most stuff. It's always done me right. So I will cut this off now, because I really can't show you a whole lot more until I get out under the car. So I will cut you on when I get back under the car. I didn't realize it had that until after I cut the camera off. It's a nice little light, help illuminate the head. And pretty big handle on the trigger, which is kind of nice, it's good feel to it. And much like most of their other stuff, you also have the battery indicator over here, which, as you see, the new batteries come with about half a charge. So, that being that, I will go ahead and show it to you when I get under the car. Hey guys, just a little update on the Milwaukee Fuel Impact Ratchet. It's a 3/8 drive. I have legitimately taken apart the entire front of the car with it. Not of this particular car, because I didn't have it when it came in the mail. But I went to the junkyard, stripped the exact same portion off of the junkyard car, and I'll be using this thing to put everything back together. So if you've ever considered it, it's 55 foot-pounds of torque, 200 RPMs. And like I said, I tore the whole front of the car apart this morning, and I only used half the battery. So that's a pretty dang good tool. If you've considered buying one, I will definitely recommend it.